Hey guys, Big Joe back here with another video, and today my Rustler 4x4 is 5 years old, so we're going to do some upgrades on it. What do we have in store for today? Well, starting out, I am actually going to put a different pinion in it, and I'm going to tune it down a little bit because for this car to actually run well, I have to run it on about 50% throttle. I don't like doing that anymore, so I'm just going to put in a smaller pinion. Next, I do have some brand new tires for it. They're like some cheap Amazon ones, but I'll hold it over for now. These ones are just a bit too big for it to be fun. And lastly, another pair of shocks are going in this car. Well, I forgot that this car had a bigger shaft, so I'm pretty positive I'm going to have to buy a brand new pinion. So I'll do that real quickly, but I'll continue with the brand new shocks. And here we are, new shocks, new tires. Decided to go with a slimmer one just for handling reasons. New shocks look good. It's going to look great with the blue body. Just got to get that pinion, and then we'll take it on the track. Okay, I got the new pinion in. I only put in a 15 tooth. I took out, I don't even know what tooth. I took out the 19 tooth, I put in a 15 tooth, so hopefully it'll be a little bit calmer now. The only thing else I would change on this car is probably this piece right here and a new chassis. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. So I was originally gonna put this off for a later video. I saw all the pieces there and I thought I might as well do it now before I ruin anything else on this car. So that's what we're gonna do the remainder of this video before we take it out. So yes, I bought the chassis, I bought the screws, and I bought this end piece. So hopefully everything will go together correctly, and hopefully I bought the correct things. Now let me get right to it. I'm going to take everything apart and we'll get back together when it's time to put everything back in. There it is. Everything's taken out of it. It's completely done all by itself. So let's just start putting everything back together now. And there we are, put back together. Look at the nice brand new gray compared to the old one, which is all dirty. Look at the piece is finally connected there now, unlike before, which I had to do some demolition on. The only thing I did have to do with this chassis is I did have to drill these two holes right here. So I got it as perfect as I could. And this entire part right here is completely different to this part. They actually have the holes pre-drilled in a little piece right there. It's completely flat right there. But yeah, now the car is ready for action, so let's take it out.
I do that on the 14th floor quite a bit. Second time with this one.
They get massive. How the way that I hit the wall, please tell me how. So yeah, that's going to round about do it for today's video. I think that's enough footage for you guys to understand that the car, 5 years, never worked so good. But yeah, I mean, like, the car still works fine. All the rebuild worked and everything. Nothing's broken on it just yet. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that, and peace.